Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I just got done with day one on BUGGS Island and the Bassmaster Open, and if you guys looked at the standings, it did not go well. We're in the 140 something place, which, quite honestly, I hate to say this, but I'm actually happy to be where I'm at because 10 minutes to weigh in, I only had 3 fish. I don't know exactly what's going on with these fish up shallow, but they are very, very difficult to pattern and to catch. And I did not get very many bites today. I think I lost one for sure keeper and had some other bites, but they really wouldn't have helped anymore. And in fact, my first fish, I hooked it with the sling blades, and it actually pulled the gill out. It ended up surviving, like thriving. It was like real energetic when I pulled it out of the live well, but I almost threw that one back because you can't cull a dead fish, and this one was only 1 pound 6 ounces on my scale. So I'm glad that I kept that one. I kept on looking in the live well, and if it started going belly up, I was going to toss it because I thought that I was going to catch them better than I did. But anyways, I fished shallow all day, mostly throwing the spinner bait. I don't mind saying that because it sucked. It was not very good today, but I did catch 4 of my keepers on the spinner bait, and I caught one flipping. And again, I don't mind saying any of this because it was very, very difficult. However, there is a silver lining here. What I found at the end of the day, obviously I caught 2 fish within 10 minutes, and I have a very, very good feeling that I can replicate that, and that I can actually have a really good day tomorrow, which is really key. I'm glad that I caught those 2 fish. I ended up catching 8 pounds 13 ounces. Even though it sounds like I'm way down on the leaderboard, in reality, I'm only 4 pounds away from the top 40. So very, very doable. I catch 14 pounds tomorrow, I'm getting a check, more than likely. Now I may be right out of the money. Now that I think about it, I probably need like 15 pounds to make a check. But my main goal is to catch everything I can for points. Okay, I'm not going to more than likely cash in every single event this year. It's very, very difficult to cash in an open because it's the top 40 out of 225. But realistically speaking, I really want to be in the top 80 for points. Points are at a premium right now. So what I found in the afternoon, I'm very, very, I'm renewed, because it was a brutal day. It was really hard. I weighed in at 9 or 5 o'clock at night. So I had a very, very long day. I got out to my spot at around 7:15 or so and caught my last 2 fish right at like 4:45. It was so very, very long day of not catching fish. But to have a spot like that kind of renewed my my excitement is really, really important. So anyways, who knows, might have been a fluke, but I honestly do think that I'll have a better day tomorrow. I know where not to go and conditions will be a little bit better. But I honestly feel like I'm a little bit more honed in on where I need to be tomorrow. So anyways, we'll see where we are. I feel confident I can catch a limit. And that is only based on 2 fish. So I may be reaching on that one. But the biggest key is catching a 2.5+ pound fish. Okay. To get to that 12, 13, 14 pound range, we're going to need some good, consistent quality. So we're going to have to have some really good shots. So I've tied on some new baits that I think are going to get me those bigger bites, and we're going to see where it goes. But anyways, guys, that is the story of day one. It was a struggle, but in the end, we did what we needed to do. We caught a limit and we stayed in it. We are still in this race. So let's go catch a big bag tomorrow, have fun, and do our job and get some points. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that you keep up with Bassmaster.com and everything that's going on. I'm sorry I didn't update Bass Track today. I really didn't catch much up until except for the end. But yeah, guys, thank you so much, and I'm going to see you guys out on the water. Make sure you trust the process. That's what I did today, and the trust got me those last 2 fish. I'll see you guys out there.